A high-performance coloring head cut. Complete punching and flattening in one go. With precise positioning and no offset of the hole positions. They are suitable for various true diameters. And comparable to top brands. Designed specifically to improve efficiency and quality. Efficiency soars while costs drop significantly. It is a choice you can't afford to miss. This video demonstrates the working principle of a high-performance coloring head when used in CNC coloring machines. With one button operation, it is precise and efficient, significantly reducing labor costs and operation threshold. The tube wall is processed smoothly without burns, effectively extending the service life of the equipment, whether in the air conditioning or refrigeration industry. Using this machine can significantly reduce the operation difficulty, improve the processing consistency, and production efficiency. It is a reliable choice for your automation upgrade.